This is the ultimate chicken sandwich.
This summer I'm teaching my kids how to cook.
Right now I'm cutting up some lettuce to have a topping on the sandwich.
What other toppings did you have?
We used tomatoes, but we didn't get any video on it.
Okay. What other toppings besides that?
We have some bacon that I'm sizzling right now.
Did you get splattered?
Quite a bit, and it hurt. Right now I'm flattening the chicken to make it equal thickness. Now we're boiling a little oil in a pan. Then we get some half a cup of Parmesan cheese and put it in a bowl.
Parmesan, right?
Yeah. Then you get half a cup of breadcrumbs.
What is that for?
It's for the breading on the chicken.
All right, now what are you doing?
Now we're putting half a cup of milk into the second bowl.
And what are you going to do with that?
We're going to dip the chicken in it so that the breadcrumbs will stick to it.
All right.
So now we're going to be mixing in the Parmesan cheese and breadcrumbs. Now, this is when I'm actually dipping it in the milk. Dip it in the milk a little and put it in the breadcrumbs. Then you cover it with breadcrumbs so that it covers the whole thing. Then we put it in the oil so that it will cook.
So it's important to have the oil pretty hot, right?
Yeah. And make sure not to use the breadcrumbs for anything else since it has raw fish in it.
Raw chicken, you mean?
Oh yeah, chicken!
Okay, so once they're browned on one side, then what do you do?
Then you're able to flip them, but for me, it's pretty hard.
Yep, you struggled a little bit with that part, huh?
Yeah. Not a little, quite a bit.
Oh, you finally got it.
Finally. That last one was pretty easy. Now, I'm cutting up the bread. Not all the way through, but enough that it will open a good amount.
Okay, and then what are you doing with it?
We're putting it on this pan to put in the oven and toast it so it's nice and warm.
Good, and when that's done, what do? Add all your toppings and your chicken.
And make sure the ranch.
Why?
Because that's the best part. Thanks for watching, everybody. It was a delicious sandwich.